Hello students, today I will read a story Blue Jackal for you and you have to answer. You just listen it carefully and try to give answer. So I am starting now. Long ago there lived a cunning jackal. Cunning it means clever. One day driven by hunger he strayed into a village. One day he was very hungry and strayed it means he was traveling in search of food. Strayed it means bhatka hua, like on seeing him a pack of dogs ran after him. So suddenly some dogs starting chasing him. Terrified it means it was very worse condition. So he got afraid. So he dashed into the house of a dye merchant and accidentally fell into a tub of blue dye. Because he was getting afraid of dogs, so in uh, to avoiding this situation he was running and without seeing anything he just fell into the tub and there was a blue dye, so he was colored in a blue. Later when he got back the jungle, all the animals stared at him in shock. So when he went back to jungle, all the other animals were shocking to after seeing him because they were not recognizing him that he was jackal. They were thinking it is another unique animal. They had never seen such a strange and beautiful animal before. Seeing everyone confused, and Jackal thought of an idea because he was very clever. So what did he do? He proclaimed that he was sent to rule over the animals' kingdom and guard its animals. So he said to other animals that he came there to rule over them and protecting them. The animals believed it and proclaimed him as their king. So they also considered him as their king. The jackal, as their king, he appointed the lion as his advisor, the king as his guardian, and the elephant as his doorkeeper. But his work was not done because he was in the fear of being recognized. He drove all the jackals out of the forest. He did one thing. Um, um, he just went away all the jackals out of the jungle because he was in the fear that they could recognize him. The new king then ordered his subjects to hunt for him and do his bidding. So he ordered all the animals that they serve him food and they serve all the services to him. The animals used to bring all kind of fruits and meats to him, and the blue king lived a life of luxury. He was enjoying the luxury life. One day, the Blue King was enjoying himself. A pack of jackals passed by and began howling. So one day, what happened? A pack of jackals were passing away, and after seeing the jackal, they started howling. And howling it means their sound. Unable to control his natural instinct, actually, what happened when the jackal started howling? So all the jackals started after listening this sound. All the jackals started howling. So when the other jackal were howling, he also started howling. So uh, uh, after listening his voice, the other animals came to know that he is jackal, and so they come to know that they had been fooled by a jackal. At once they chased the traitor out of the forest, and cunning jackal never returned again. So they started chasing him. So jackal get afraid, and so uh, he just go away from the jungle. Okay, and never return back. So it is a story, and you have to give answer of my three questions. First question is why is word cunning used for jackal? Second, what did jackal do to befool the other animals? And third question is how did jackal recognized by other animals? Okay, thank you बच्चों, and if you have any difficulty you can ask me anytime. I'll be always there for you, and you can write me your problem in the comment section. And if you like my video you can like it and subscribe my channel for further notifications.